Hey, property managers and realtors. I just wanted to show you why we're the best exterior cleaning company in Calgary. I'll show you our results. Do you ever get your windows done and the window cleaner forgets to do the window frames and that bottom ledge? Well, at a touch of glass, we make sure that is 100% done every single time, so you never have to worry. You can see the difference what quality makes. All the frames, window sills, and bottom ledge are always done at a touch of glass. Hire us today.